Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you ever found a perfect reference paper but realized it's a scanned version that you can't copy? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to quickly convert a PDF using Microsoft Word, and I'll also show you two other easier and more complete methods to get better results. Method 1. Microsoft Word. Using Microsoft Word is the quickest. First, open Microsoft Word. Next, find and open your document. Click OK. Once the document is open, Word will convert it for you automatically. Once converted, you can edit the text, fix typos, and copy content, just like any normal Word file. This is perfect for documents that are mostly plain text. However, it might struggle with complex layouts, such as multi-column reports, intricate tables, or overlapping images. If you need high accuracy, PDNob PDF Editor is your best bet. First, open the PDNob PDF Editor. Then, click on Open PDF and select your PDF. Next, click Perform OCR. The software will convert your document. As you can see, the text and images stay exactly where they should be. The best part? This method is completely free, yet extremely accurate. No jumbled layouts, no missing content, just a clean, editable Word document. Click the link below and try this convenient method for yourself. Finally, you can use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in your browser. Click Upload and select your file. Then, type a prompt like, "Convert this PDF into an editable Word document," and press Enter. However, do not use this for sensitive or private documents, as the data is uploaded to the cloud. Here's a quick comparison. Word struggles with complex layouts, and ChatGPT lacks privacy, but PDNob PDF Editor delivers on both while staying fast. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe. Click the link Try PDNob PDF Editor to convert your PDFs in an easy way. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.